Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use Umingle video chat on PC. So the first step you have to take is open up your browser on your PC and search for Umingle video chat. Once you click on that, you're going to see the website. Click on the website and you wait for it to load up. So once it's loaded, you're going to see this interface just like this. You can either choose to start chatting by text or by video. So it's a video chat, so let's just try the text. Okay, so it's going to do like a security verification, right? So you just have to click on it once it's loaded to verify that you are a human. So it's going to take a while to verify, and once it's verified you're going to see this. It's going to start connecting to the server, and you have to make sure you are up to 18 and above. You can see the rules right here, and you can click on start. So once you click on start, you're going to see someone to actually chat with. You can see you are now chatting with someone new from Philippines, so you can just say hi to the person, right? And you guys can start conversing together. So afterwards, let's try the video chats. So you can just go all the way back, right? And you're going to click on videos. So once you click on videos, you have to turn on your camera, right? So you can see you have different. I have also OBS visual camera, so you have to set that up, but I'm just going to use my normal one. So it goes allow, and you can see my face is actually showing. So afterwards you can just click on start. Once you click on start, you're going to start conversing with someone, right? So it's very easy to use the Umingle app on your PC. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.